Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow automatic downloads for audio on WhatsApp Web for PC. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable this feature, which has been introduced in a recent update. This handy setting will save you time and make managing your audio messages much more convenient. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main chat screen, look to the left side of the interface. You'll see a menu with various options. Next, locate and click on the settings icon in this left side menu. It usually looks like a gear or cog. This will open up your WhatsApp web settings, where you can customize various aspects of your messaging experience. In the settings menu, you'll find several categories. Look for the option labeled Chats and click on it. This will expand to reveal more specific chat-related settings. Among these, you'll see Media Auto Download. Click on this to access your auto download preferences. Now, you're in the Media Auto Download section. Here, you'll see different types of media listed, including photos, videos, and audio. Find the checkbox next to Audio and make sure it's ticked. This simple action enables automatic downloads for all incoming audio messages. And that's it. You've successfully allowed automatic downloads for audio on WhatsApp Web. From now on, when someone sends you a voice message or audio file, it will download automatically, ready for you to play without any extra steps. Remember, you can always return to this settings menu to adjust your preferences if you want to turn off auto downloads or change settings for other media types. This feature is especially useful if you frequently receive audio messages and want quick, easy access to them. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy your streamlined WhatsApp web experience with automatic audio downloads. Happy messaging!